Yes. No, no, of course not. I am here to present the award. I think it's an honor to present an award, especially for an NRI, which is so different if you see that way as compared to Bollywood. So it feels nice to know more things, as I always say when I come for awards, which is, which is different from Bollywood awards, because that's something that I relate to you. I understand, I know people, but when you come to such awards, you get to learn more and get to know more. So it's kind of getting to know something new also. Yeah. I think appreciation in any form is the best thing. Whether you give them awards, whether you talk about them verbally, whether it's a publicity. I always feel, everyone, irrespective of their fields, whatever they do, and if they're appreciated, it feels great. It gives them motivation. I think we all somewhere need motivation today. The kind of world we're living in and the kind of ups and downs we all have regarding something or the other. So हर इंसान को लगता है कि अगर मैं थोड़ा कर रहा हूँ या ज़्यादा कर रहा हूँ, there is something that I'm doing, and there are people who are noticing it. So I think everybody wants their work to be noticed. So I think it's great. Yes, movie toilet sounds very weird. Yes, but I am really excited for the film, and I hope whatever the cameo that I've done, people really enjoy that. It's something very different apart from my popular perception that I have. So I'm really looking forward. It's just a month to go. Hi.
You're presenting an award in which capacity आप यहाँ पे शामिल हो रही हो?
Well, that they're going to tell me. I've just arrived, so I have no idea where are they placing it. But I am like, in a very simple way, I would want to see what's happening inside. I've never attended NRI Awards before. Last year, I had to give it a miss for some personal reasons. But I think today I'm going to see something different. I'm myself debuting here, so I'm going to go inside and see what exactly happens.
Any chance to be you being an NRI in the future?
That depends if I fall in love with an NRI guy. I wouldn't mind to be an NRI. I'm bored of being Indian now. Yeah, take two. Okay. Well, I don't mind being an NRI if I get an NRI guy. So that just depends on my future. So let's see.
Very smart answer.
Okay. Yay.
NRI का perform?
मैं तो नॉन रिलायबल इंडियन ही बोलती हूँ. बाकी तो जो
Very intelligent. सुना मुझे.
Okay.
Obviously, ना, like the person who can make others swing in their thoughts is
Yeah.
an intelligent person.
Good. I'm happy that I am in that zone of yours. I hope you really mean that.
Yeah. अब एक और जवाब आपको सामने देख के देना है कि
Yeah, I'm sorry. I just keep looking here. Yeah.
लास्ट सना आपके संवेदना चाहेंगे जो अटैक हुआ है उसके ऊपर अनंतनाग में कुछ शरणार्थी मतलब दर्शन के लिए लोग जा रहे थे और उन पे अनंत गोलियां चलाई गई.
जी.
आपकी तरफ से कुछ संवेदना के शब्द अगर आप कहना चाहें.
Obviously, हर इंसान अपना हार्टफेल्ट कंडोलेंस दे सकता है, अपनी जो प्रार्थनाएं, दुआएं, प्रेयर, जो भी आप कहो, जो भी फॉर्म में जो लोग जिस तरीके से करते वही दे सकते हैं. एंड एज I always say that terrorism has no religion, so we cannot bound a religion and say these are terrorist religions or this is the religion that does terrorism. People who kill people are, according to me, are not worth living, no matter what religion they belong to. And I would never support terrorism irrespective of any religion they belong to, even if they are Muslims, because I am one. So people have a thing that, if a Islamic person is commenting, it's going to be a little biased. But I was very happy when the other situations में भी जो लोगों ने फाइनल रिजल्ट दिया था, एंड द फाइनल थिंग वाज आई वाज विथ इट एंड आई एम टुडे आल्सो विथ इट. whoever is it needs to be punished, needs to be given worst of the worst punishment. And the only thing I can say is my heartfelt condolences is with the family and with everybody who's lost their loved ones, and this should never ever happen, no matter which country, no matter which city, no matter which religion. So yeah.
आपने बहुत अच्छी बात की और सबसे बड़ी बात जो रिलीजन की आपने बात की, मतलब उन लोगों को जिन लोगों जो बस ड्राइवर था जिसने बचाया, he is a Salim.
Yeah. ऐसे I think बहुत सारी चीज़ें, even if you see the London attack, what happened, I think the major people who were helping were Muslims. But I never think, I really feel it's so stupid because somewhere we are progressing so much. People are going to Mars, Moon, God knows where all, and then eventually you come back to Hindu Muslim. I think that's the worst debate to have. I don't stand by that. I have a lot of people who I've just come from a religious trip. So when I wear Western clothes, they start abusing me on Instagram, saying that, oh, you're a Muslim, you should not do this. I don't believe in this. I don't follow that. People's perception is not what I follow. I follow the way I live. I'm happy the way I am, and the person who I'm supposed to please is myself. And if my parents are happy, nobody else, people will keep judging you. So I think this always happens, and this is the worst thing to happen. So I definitely do not support it in any form.
Very well said. See, you have proved yourself to be an intelligent person.
So do I get an award for this now?
Yeah.
Can you recommend?
With your words, such beautiful words and
Thank you.
very thought-provoking and wisdom, full of wisdom.
Thank you.
Wishing you all the best.
Thank you. Bye bye.
So, very nice to see what NR of the year hosting the show. How's been inside?
Well, it's been wonderful to be here to host the NRI of the Year Awards. Khas also because I myself am born and brought up abroad. I'm British. So while we have a lot of Indians moving overseas and representing India over there, I guess I'm an OCI who's come back to India to pursue my dreams, but it feels very good to see so many Indians living abroad and creating a name for themselves. It's what my family did when they moved abroad to the UK in the 1950s and created a name for themselves, and it feels amazing to see so many Indian achievers from diverse fields. So it's always an honor to host events like this. They're prestigious. There's some very special people in the audience, and yeah, it's lovely to be here.
So, how's the Karan as a host with you? It's fun.
So Karan Thakur and I have known each other since Jhalak Dikhla, but it's the first time we worked together, and I think we did a great job together. We're friends, and that of course always helps. And yeah, I think we're both professional, and that's what it comes down to, good at what we do. And yeah, I love hosting, so it's great to be here.
Okay, what do you want to say about the recent incident?
Pleasant evening, Sophie.
Thank you.
Sophie, what was the highlight of the evening?
I think there were many highlights of the evening. I think we had these incredible gentlemen from ISRO who were honored here. You know, very often awards में ज़्यादातर हम जाने माने लोगों को पहचानते हैं, उनको recognize करते हैं, खासतौर से films या sports या ऐसी industries से. लेकिन to award scientists who are responsible for getting those 104 satellites up there and India का नाम रोशन कर रहे हैं all around the world, I think that was very special. And of course, the other highlight, because I am from the entertainment world, was to see the Bahubali team get an award for the global impact, जो कि वाकई the movie made a huge global impact. और अभी तक तो वो China भी नहीं गई. I think once it goes to China and it's released there, the amount of money and the respect and love the film is going to get is going to be tremendous. So I think those were wonderful highlights. And we've got amazing achievers, some of those young academics, the great Pankaj Advani. You know, हम हमेशा cricket को ज़्यादा support करते हैं, थोड़ा बहुत कभी hockey को कर लेते हैं, but snooker and billiards is something we really don't look at. But he's a 16-time world champion. I mean, that's incredible. So it was really nice to have these achievements.
अभी आपका सिंगल सुन चुके हैं और अभी लोगों के मन में तृष्णा आती रहती है
क्या
और सुनने की आपकी सिंगल या गाने की?
जी मेरा सिंगल आ रहा है. मुझे कुछ और सुनाई दिया, मुझे बहुत टेंशन हो गया कि अब सिंगल या किसी और चीज़ के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं. नहीं, डेफिनेटली मेरा नया सिंगल आ रहा है. थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग पेशेंट एंड फॉर लविंग इट. बट आई थिंक इन सितंबर यू विल गेट सम गुड न्यूज़ फ्रॉम मी ऑन द प्रोफेशनल फ्रंट.
वो तरसाती है ना, वैसे मतलब पिछली बार कितना
तरसाना चाहिए. हमारे grown up with the saying all good things come to those who wait, तो hopefully this will be worth waiting for. और पहली बार मैं किसी मेल आर्टिस्ट के साथ एक collaboration कर रही हूँ, and I can't wait for you all to see that.
कौन है, थोड़ा सा highlight.
बिल्कुल भी आपको नहीं बताऊंगी, फिर आप लॉन्च पे नहीं आओगे. आप लॉन्च पे आने की वजह
Sophie, you have always been very impactful in your words and your words always matter. सामने देखते हुए आपको जवाब देना है. Anantnag must have heard about the tragedy which some of the pilgrims met. Some wishes for some prayers or like to express something.
I think until a couple of years ago, we all used to talk about globalization. Okay, we all are becoming one. We all are becoming one. And the past year, we're seeing that people want to become isolated. They want to become insular, and they don't want to mix with the world. And there's a lot of hate, a lot of fear in this world. और कुछ ऐसे लोग हैं जो इसको बढ़ाना चाहते हैं और आपस में हम सबको अलग करना चाहते हैं. I'm very proud to be an Indian. I'm very proud to live in a secular country like this. I'm very proud that we are people from all castes, backgrounds, religions, and we all live in India as one. तो जो कोई भी हमें अलग करना चाहता है, मेरी बस हमेशा यही दुआ है और यही वार्निंग है उनको कि आप कुछ भी करेंगे लेकिन हम कभी अलग नहीं होंगे. And the fact that so many more pilgrims went this morning shows that they're not afraid, and we will fight this. And the only way to fight terror is to stand united, to stand as one. तो मेरी बस यही दुआ है that we always stand united against terror in India, globally, because that's what the world needs right now. That is our biggest threat, our biggest enemy, and we need to fight it together.